today we're installing really special parts. So I'd like to say that this video is semi-sponsored by my friends at BattleAero. They were able to cut out those custom brackets for my GT. I'll show you guys what they look like. Bring the FRS in first. So I was just saying, I have 3 shows that I have to prepare this thing for in the next coming weeks. My car is definitely not at 100%. You look all over the body. It may look nice on the outside, but like you can see gaps everywhere. And this is the stuff that I'm gonna be fixing up. Other than that, here are the BattleAero custom Dragon Tails. These things are gonna be replacing the OEM BattleAero brackets. Now there's a few differences with my design and the stock one. I had to create mine to give my spoiler a little more angle to compensate for the BRZ wing, because I am running 2 spoilers. So this part is actually going to have a little more downforce. All right, let's get started. This AG center cap has been like this ever since I drove it to San Jose. I'm surprised that it hasn't fallen, dog. This thing is expensive. I actually had planned to get these wheels like maybe 2 years ago, like right after I got the wide body. I saw someone selling this exact pair made by Avantgarde and in the same anodized green. 19 inches though, so I had no idea if that was even gonna fit with a rally backer. That's when I was hit with this huge speeding ticket, and it was like a random pull too on a very nice summer day. It was just me in the road, or so I thought, and then I turned into my neighborhood. I saw this unmarked cop car behind me. I knew it was a cop car from experience. I literally pulled myself over without him even like turning on his lights or anything, and he kind of knew that I knew, and I told him. It was actually the day Need for Speed came out on PS4. I built my car in-game, and then it was just like embedded in my mind. It was a nice day, next day, and you know, Need for Speed is a real term, fellas. For the rest of my life, I just want to avoid tickets, and I know this thing is calling for the attention, but I'll try to be safe with it. It is purely a show car, and it's for the kids, you know? It makes people on the road happy. I've made several people almost crash. I have made one person crash. This was in Vancouver. We were coming up to a red stoplight. I was fully stopped and he was slowing down, but there was a car in front of him, this older gentleman. And then, yeah, he was slowly looking at my car, and all of a sudden, boom, he hits the guy in front of him without knowing. The light turns green, and then I just go. Those guys had to get out of their car and do all their paperwork stuff. Yeah, this thing is fun to say the least. This was one of the earlier ways they created it, was using this kind of paint, which is now also peeling. I think it was time to change these out anyway. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm just gonna lay you down. Try to do this. Make sure the bracket doesn't come swinging down on your crotch. God. Damn. close. What did I just say? All right, let's take this bumper off. Some of you guys might not know this, but I actually run control arms, SPCs. Everything underneath is green. Got that connected to the teen coils. And I'm contemplating on re-anodizing my lug nuts because they are stripped to shit. But that's a given. And these guys are fairly cheap. I'm saying cheap like I'm rich. They're actually pretty expensive, but you know, worst case, you can just re-spray paint them like I will be doing. Literally the last bolt. I think this is okay, bro. Yeah. Preview. That is hella aggressive. Damn, that is crazy. If I fall by accident.
Fatality.
Oops. Alright, dogs. Slowly. These little wooden things, lifesaver. Clark's here now. Last but not least. I don't actually know if it's on the inside or the outside. I'll stop. Yes! Bros! BattleAero did a good job. Downforce, man. I can actually put a spoiler sticker and people can see it. Oh. Yo, Carl, thanks, bro.
Yeah, there was
easy cake. All right, guys. So before I call this install complete, I am actually going to vinyl wrap these green, just so it looks a little more whole. And this is only gonna take like 10 minutes. Yeah, man. This looks crazy. I don't even know anymore. Oh my God. Okay, I'll save it. Alright guys, we're complete. It's finished. Clark, thanks for the help, brother. Guys, are you ready for this? Look at this. What is this? I feel like if anyone accidentally trips behind my car, they're done. This is it, guys. I call this the dragon tail. So Clark helped me vinyl wrap the end plates. Finally, they're not this ugly blue weird tint. That was just protection, but this is it, guys. Complete back end. Oh my god, that is something else. It's just so aggressive, so much more downforce. That's what I wanted, was for you to be able to see more of the top of my spoiler. BattleAero, shouts. We were thinking, if this video gets enough likes, or if you guys are actually down for it, anyone who owns this specific BattleAero chassis mount can rock this wing. So we might actually do a small limited run for these, I still don't even know what to call them, dragon tails. Custom BattleAero dragon tail brackets. Right now, there's only one of these in the world, and they're on this FRS. I think I'm gonna end this video here. Thanks for watching. There's gonna be more content of me cleaning this up for Driven. Clark's actually gonna be bringing his E30. We're gonna have a total of 8 cars for Lost Royalty Kings Must Rise. If you wanna get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, and leave some good vibes in the comments, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Ciao.